Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. 7 Built Environment Undergraduate Research Competition Presentation, Illegal House Renovation, Investigating Awareness Among Double-Story Landed House Owners in Klang Valley. I am Nurizyan Izzati binti Rohaizan from University Malaya. Lately, many cases involving illegal house renovation that we have heard, especially when a landslide case occurred on 17 September 2021 in Jalan Kemensahai, Ampang Jaya, that caused the property severely damaged. It was mentioned by YB Datuk Sri Taqiyuddin bin Hassan, the Minister of Energy and Natural Resources, said that illegal house renovation are among causes of Kemensahai landslide. An illegal building renovation is defined as a building refurbishment or extension without approved renovation plans by the local council or renovation work that does not adhere with the approved renovation plan. We can see many statements from previous researchers and newspapers that this culture has been going on for over a decade. And one of it was recently mentioned by Muhammad Saleh 2022 that low mentality class and follow trend from neighbors become one of the reasons of the illegal house renovation culture. Approved building plans are important to protect the safety and health of neighbors and owners themselves. Thus, I was interested in investigating the awareness among double-story landed house owners in Klang Valley. I have questioned three things. What are the contributing factors to this culture? Do the house owners actually acknowledge and understand the statutory renovation guidelines constituted by the local authority? Can I suggest infographic materials to aid in improving the level of awareness about illegal house renovation? This is where my research aim constructed, which is to investigating the level of awareness and contributing factors of illegal house renovation among house owners in Klang Valley and projected to my research objective as well. Based on literature review from previous researchers and newspapers, the rationale of renovation can be concluded into three: escalation of land prices, household growth, and increased property value. Meanwhile, the contributing factors to illegal house renovation can be summarized into poor awareness, human attitude, demands and living standard, poor enforcement, and restriction from local authority. I was able to cross-check the facts from literature review and findings of my own research. Every objective projected into different methods and analysis. First objective was to identify the contributing factors in which analyzed by literature review and semi-structured interview that had been done. Objective 2 was analyzed by literature review and questionnaire survey to the house owners. And lastly, objective 3 was developed from the results of aforementioned research methods. The finding from semi-structured interview with the BKL local authority officers is supporting my literature review for objective 1. It can be summarized that the ignorance toward renovation regulation and a non-individual construction background resulting to illegal house renovation among house owners. Meanwhile, the data collected from questionnaire survey purposely to achieve second objective has a significant number or majority of the respondents are familiarized with the renovation permit, but not aware on revised renovation guidelines in which type of renovation that required permit. The contradicting results were occurred because of the lacking in awareness on renovation procedure and requirement to appoint a consultant before the project begins based on the findings and data collection from questionnaire survey. Lastly, an infographic material was developed from the findings and data collection from objective 1 and 2, whereby the house owners cannot distinguish types of renovation works that require permit, lack of understanding in house renovation processes, and less awareness on revised renovation guidelines. In conclusion, at the end of the research, all objectives are achieved. Illegal house renovation is dangerous because it is affecting the adjacent neighbors and threats the safety and health of the building occupants, public, and house durability in the long term. I recommend 2 future research on investigating the short-term and long-term effect of illegal house renovation towards the building structures to improve awareness, and secondly, to measure the awareness in diverse urbanization communities to understand the awareness accessibility among urban, rural, and suburban communities about illegal house renovation. This is my reference. That's all from me. Thank you for listening, and I hope my presentation is useful.